There are many ways to connect and engage with Fairfax County government. We provide timely and transparent information on all of our platforms. You can find us on social media, on TV, online, and in many locations in person.
Fairfax County is on the same social media platforms you are. So however you choose to connect, look for us there too. FairfaxCounty.gov is the place to find, pay, and report. News Center shares relevant, timely, and actionable information with the community. It is your go-to source for local news, to know, to do, and to go. In an emergency, call or text 911. You can also sign up to receive text alerts from Fairfax Alerts. Check our emergency blogs for information or tune in to Fairfax County Government Channel 16. Watch your government in action. All Board of Supervisors meetings, Board Committee meetings, Planning Commission meetings, and Board of Zoning Appeals meetings air live on Fairfax County Government Channel 16. Learn more about the programs and services Fairfax County provides. You can tune in to Channel 16 on Cox, Verizon, or Comcast, or watch on your computer or mobile device via the live stream. You can always visit Fairfax County staff in person at the Fairfax County Government Center Complex, the South County Government Center, or your supervisor's district office. There are other ways to connect with Fairfax County. Get information sent directly to your email with Newswire, listservs, and newsletters. Participate in online chats and surveys, listen to Fairfax County podcasts or Fairfax County Government Radio, and download the Fairfax County mobile app for information on the go. We look forward to connecting with you.
By taking advantage of social media and the latest technology, Fairfax County government is available to you without doors and without clocks. We strive to meet you where you are to provide information and services. Connect with us anytime to learn what's happening and how to get involved in your local government.